Kurt said we weren't going to do a heavy lunch and that we needed to eat more fruit.
Yeah, but show them what that fruit's in.
That is not.
After having a drink at the sports bar, we walked down to the Signature Casino on Deck 7. As you can tell, the elegance of the ship goes all the way through the casino. Games on both sides of this aisle here, and then when you walk in, you'll notice additional slot machines and table games. You'll find roulette, craps, and other card games. The unique thing about this casino is that the bar is in the middle of the casino, and the casino actually is on 2 decks, so it's on Deck 7 and Deck 8. The sports bar on Deck 8 is where you'll find additional slot machines. They also have an annex with slot machines for people that like to smoke. enjoyed hanging out in the sports bar on deck 8. You can see the view of the ocean right there at the bar, and you can take a drink outside if you're interested. They also have slot machines that you can play and televised sports events. They had a special event while we were there, and you could actually rent the areas for you and your crew to sit and watch the games together.
Reminds that all occupants of the cabin must participate in watching the safety video on your in and by visiting the demonstration. Participation
Smoking
is
area.
mandatory. Once again, we invite all guests that embark today to go to their cabin and wait for the start signal. Participation is mandatory. Thank you.
How you doing?
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.